Welcome to the art classroom. My name is Miss Phoenix. I am very happy to be the new elementary art teacher here at Palmview. Just to give you a little bit of a idea of what we're going to do this year, we're going to start the year off with art on a cart going into the classrooms so that the students will be comfortable in their own classrooms. They'll have plenty of access to their own materials. We will be able to provide the safe distancing and masks for everyone. Let them learn how to wash their hands properly and classroom procedures, things like that. As far as lessons, art lessons, and art activities go, students that are attending school on campus will have access to the art lessons and art activities that I will be providing. If we do change to an all online platform, we'll be using Schoology, but all of the art activities and lessons will remain the same. So students in classroom, or if we move to Schoology, will still have access to instructional videos, art history studies, virtual museum tours, a lot of really interesting, fun things. They will also have opportunities to do the learning activities just as we would in the classroom. And there will be alternative activities provided in case some students don't have all of the access to materials like they would here on campus. So you'll have the option to do a discussion, also participate in the online discussion should you find yourself in a situation where there are no art materials or supplies, things like that. So your child will still be able to take place in the art activities discussion and in the online class platform. So the first and second quarter, we will mostly be focusing on drawing two-dimensional artwork, graphic design, doing illustration, doing a little bit more technology-based art platforms. That's going to get the students prepared for third and fourth quarter, which will bring them into the WAS Ed program. It was a new program that was started last year. It's going to focus on 3D printing for students third grade through fifth grade. We're going to do that the third and fourth quarter. So students that are going to be introduced to that program will learn the basic foundations and the skills, so when they go on to middle school, they can carry on into the WASED program, learning things like drones, deeper into 3D printing, cybersecurity, things like that. So it's a really exciting program. I'm really happy to be able to introduce it. I know last year some of the students were working with it, so they already have a little bit of foundations, but I'm going to further explore that with the students so that they have everybody has a chance to be able to use the WAS Ed program. So looking very forward to being able to do some three-dimensional artwork more in the third and fourth quarter, and I hope that everybody is gearing up towards being excited to be back at school, being excited to be in art class, because I'm very excited to be teaching it, and I look forward to meeting everyone. Have a wonderful week and hope to see everyone soon. Bye.